Hi, good afternoon and welcome to Mike Makes It. Today we've got 5 different USB LED light sources, fresh from Banggood. I got them cheap. I've got a variety of what the best that Banggood have to offer. So we'll start with the simplest one. Now pop this into a power pack and we have lights. Pop. There we go. Now this is a simple one. It's plug in, it's on. Unplug it, it's off. Simple as that. 2 LEDs on the back, couple of resistors, double-sided, so you can put that either way into the power pack, which is good. I've got one like that in my truck, in the Defender, as a pool light for it inside the cab. So if you drop something in the dark, you've got half a chance of seeing what's going on and you might be able to pick it up. What can I say? Yeah, nice simple light. If you want, give yourself a bit of backlighting if you're using a laptop at night, maybe a hallway to the bathroom, USB adapter in the wall, plug this in, away you go. So nice and simple. This one, similar, but a little bit more electronics going on here, but it's only single-sided. So that's fine, unless you got me Defender, then if it's single-sided you may have the light shining up as opposed to down, so you know, hopefully it would be the right way around. Plug that in, nothing's come on. Touch it, comes on. No switch apart from you know, it's sensitive to your touch. It's probably capacitance type sensor. So yep, on, off, on, off. Nice and simple. There you go, a little bit more detail there. Number 3, more like a USB pen, enclosed, not waterproof, but it is enclosed in plastic. You can only put that one way around, obviously, because it's a standard USB plug, where the others are made up from the printed circuit board. Now that's not come on. This has got a capacitive sensor for the switch as well. So you just touch the back. On it comes. Actually, you don't even have to touch it. You just get close to it, and it comes on, which is nice. I won't turn it around too far for you because it's going to flood the camera out. But yeah, 3 LEDs sitting on there. Very nice. Let's put that over there. This one, 6 LEDs. Some more electricity with the old electronics. Double-sided once more. In you go. Capacitive touch. On we go. This is a little bit different though. Put it on and keep your finger on it, and it'll dim. Touch it again, it'll come back up. So you're going to save your battery juice. If you're camping, you got one of these on there, you want longevity of the battery, then turn it down a tad, let your eyes get used to the dark, or just quick touch, off, on. Now it does remember where you left it unless you unplug it. If you plug it back in, it comes back up to full brightness, which is probably better than coming down a really dim. If you set it to a very dim setting, you might not want that. I think this is the right way to go. Unplug it, and it doesn't remember, it goes back to maximum brightness. That's the way I would have probably designed it. But if you leave it in, don't take the power off, it'll remember the previous state. So there's another one made out of a printed circuit board. And the last one, you've got 4 LEDs, but they're 4 RGB LEDs. So if you want to add a bit of colour to your life, that's the way to go. You've got blue, press a button, sort of a whitey blue, gang, yellowy green, purple, blue, and very red. You can see that's proper red. And it cycles round green. There you go, you can press that all night. I haven't been able to get it to do anything else, like holding the button just switches it off. I can't get those to dim. Double-sided again. So yeah, that might be quite nice in a car. Give you a bit of like pool lighting, but of a colour of your choice. Might actually try that in the truck. That might be alright. Yeah, okay. Well, anyway, that's just a quick 5-minute what Banggood have to offer. They've got more. These were just sort of couple of pound each. So I thought I'd grab 5 of them to show you. I've done this video on my new GoPro 8 as well, so let me know how it figures out for you compared to the iPhone 7 Plus I use. I'm probably going to put both videos online. I've done a previous video on the 7 Plus, but the video you're watching now, that's done with the Hero8 Black. So I'm interested in how the sound quality comes across to everybody. I'll obviously play it back to myself, see what it's like. But there's no external microphone with this. I haven't got the media pack add-on. I'm using the internal microphone of the camera, whereas with the iPhone 7 I use an external clip-on microphone. Right, well, thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. There's going to be more videos coming your way.